In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp notifications and manage your emails effectively so you can tailor them to best suit your workflow and preferences. Start by accessing your notification settings. This is your first step and it's really straightforward. Just go ahead and click on your profile avatar, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of the ClickUp window. Once you click there, a menu will pop up. Select Settings and then Notifications. Now you're on the Notification Settings page. This page is like your personal control center for notifications. Here, you'll see a table that lists various notification triggers alongside delivery methods. You're in charge of how you'd like to receive notifications, whether that's through email, browser, mobile, or all of them if you prefer. Take a moment to review these triggers to see which ones are most relevant for you. If you're finding that your inbox is getting a bit crowded and you'd like to stop all email notifications, you can do that easily here. Just look for the Email section within these settings. Once you're there, simply select Disable Notifications to stop all incoming email notifications. This is a quick way to completely declutter your email space from ClickUp notifications. However, if there are certain updates you'd still like to receive via email, you can customize this too. Navigate to the same email column and you'll find checkboxes next to various notifications. Deselect any checkboxes for the notifications you don't want to receive via email. This way, you're only getting notifications that are important to you while preventing unnecessary ones from landing in your inbox. Lastly, let's talk about marketing emails. If you're not interested in receiving marketing communications, there's a simple fix. Head over to ClickUp's Communications Preferences page. Here, you can unsubscribe from specific categories of marketing emails or even choose to unsubscribe from all marketing emails if that's what you prefer. By making these changes, you'll ensure that your inbox only contains messages that are truly relevant to you, allowing you to focus on what matters most. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and customize your ClickUp notifications. Whether you're disabling email notifications entirely or selectively tailoring your email updates, this process helps you maintain control over what comes into your inbox and what notifications pop up during your day. It's all about making ClickUp work for you.